Wicknel trending again after buying $1.8 million worth of cars. He has done it again as he bought top of the range cars. A Range Rover Sport Limited Edition, a Mercedes-Benz Maybach GLS 600 for $365,000 US, Rolls-Royce Cullinan $850,640. Please like and subscribe for more. He went ahead to say, normalize luxury in your life. Suffering is not an achievement. Work hard and stay patient. Your time will come. Surely your time will come. The cars are en route from Europe. This will be in addition to his fleet, which contains 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom and Rolls-Royce Ghost, which was 13 million. He also praised God by the statement, God is the greatest, in his Twitter, which is highly unlikely, leaving the netizens worried or rather shocked. Wicknel is one of the rich men in Zimbabwe and does not shy to flaunt his riches on social media. In a country where most are struggling to put food on the table, many wonder how he amassed his wealth. He made his millions by getting government tenders, one of which is from Zimbabwe Power Company. In one of his statements, he says, EDP, meaning, let's vote for ED. Much to the surprise of the netizens, as he was given a warning by the president that Chikurubi prison is not yet full, as he was regarded as a briefcase businessman after he failed the Gwanda solar project. He was given $5 million US, but nothing came out of it. Please comment down below on what you think about Wicknel, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.